Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids, and what I've got here is the Rode Stereo VideoMic X. And in this video, I'm going to actually be placing this on top of my Panasonic Lumix GH4 and giving you some audio tests so that you can actually hear the mic in action. Now at the moment I'm recording with a Rode SmartLav Plus that's connected via a cable into the 3.5mm audio jack on the top of my Panasonic GH4. So now let's switch over to the Stereo VideoMic X. So now what you're hearing is the Rode Stereo VideoMic X, and I'm around about 2 to 3 feet away from my camera, and you can see on your screen now the Rode VideoMic X on top of my Panasonic Lumix GH4. So I'm going to actually walk around the camera so you get to hear how the audio changes as I am sort of walking around 360 degrees around the Stereo VideoMic X. And it works extremely well indeed, picks up a lot of detail in my voice, and I think it performs very well. So now I'm going to capture some different audio for you, just so you can see the little intricacies that the Stereo VideoMic actually picks up. So I'm really impressed with the audio quality of the Rode Stereo VideoMic X. I know that it's going to find its place on top of my Panasonic Lumix GH4 or my Sony A7S on numerous occasions. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do leave me some comments, and I will see you all in the next one.